Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable microphone access on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the privacy tile. On the left side, underneath App Permissions, select Microphone. And on the right side, where it says Microphone Access for this device, click the Change button and make sure it's toggled to the right to enable that, as well as for apps to access your microphone too. Make sure that's turned on as well. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.